Can't see a thing, can you? That is, we don't know. It's either a kitchen stack or a lavatory stack. The maintenance guy says it's a bunch of lavs, so I don't know. I have not been in any of the units, but the Y right there is completely severed and it's just leaking down into this wall. So they want to use ABS, and I'm going to go to the second floor and open up the wall. So what I didn't initially see is that this line right here, this one right here, is actually, there's a santee on it that's picking up a shower. So what we're gonna do is open up the ceiling a little more and knock out that stud, that floor joist right there, or notch it at least, and then be able to get the Sawzall in there and cut it. So this is not going to be reachable. See the no-hub band back there with the no-hub, the bolts facing up? See them? How do you think they did that? They did that from the top down. There's literally no way for me to get up in here and cut this out. All right, so we're back. That santee is draining a shower on the second floor. So I gotta go into this unit and open up the ceiling in there so I can cut that. I gotta tear out that santee, everything, and then redo it. So they weren't answering yesterday, but they should be. I can hear them talking, so let's see. This is what broke. We're on the second floor. I had to cut this out because the dang concrete right here, I had to bust it out because it wouldn't fit. So we'll use a no-hub band right here. Glue that in the Y, and then job will be done. Now to go downstairs and connect that pipe. All right, now we're done. They requested ABS be used, so it's not on me. And I put that in the invoice, so there's Guru. Guru was very helpful today.
Oh, look how much I made. 2 hours. $50 an hour.